Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you that about 400,000 devices have been infected with some malware because of some pirated games. So, if you happen to have one of these computers, I'm going to show you which programs can actually get rid of it and which computers were infected. So, let's go over now so I can share all of that with you. So as you can see, the malware hidden in pirated games infects 400,000 devices. Now, a new strain of Windows-based malware has been circulating through pirated PC games and may have infected over 400,000 devices. Now, researchers have been warning about the threat, which has been hiding inside cracked games and modified game installers for franchises, including Far Cry, Need for Speed, FIFA, and Assassin's Creed. Now, the malware has been dubbed RenEngine Loader because some of the malicious code has been embedded inside a legitimate Ren'Py launcher, an engine used to run visual novel games. Now, while these cracked games appear functional, they silently deliver embedded malware alongside the playable content, the researcher wrote. The malware has been around since at least last April and remains active. They also uncovered evidence that the threat has infected over 400,000 victims globally because the malware was updated to include telemetry tracking dating back in October. The telemetry URL is embedded in the malware and can be reached whenever the malicious RenEngine loader executes. So as you can see, this is where across the globe computers have been infected. And I have some of those numbers for you right here. So the telemetry tracker shows the malware is usually logging about 4,000 to 10,000 visitors per day, with the highest concentration of victims observed in India, the United States, and Brazil, the company report adds. So as you can see, India has about 38,016 users. The United States has 31,317 users. Brazil has 25,220 users. The Russian Federation has 22,366. Egypt has 19,500. Turkey has 18,835. Spain has 18,109. Indonesia has 15,790, Pakistan has 15,426, and France has 14,100. Now, there may even be more countries, but those are the only ones that were listed. And those are all the users that have been infected with this malware. Now, they did point to one site, dotty-repax.site, for hosting the malware-laden game downloads. The domain has been previously flagged in other malware campaigns. The attack also leverages the Ren'Py launcher to archive the pirated game files. Executing the launcher decompresses the game files while secretly kicking off the malware's installation. Now, they did spot the RenEngine loader ultimately trying to deliver a Windows-based information stealer called ARC to harvest sensitive data from victim PCs, including saved browser passwords, cookies, cryptocurrency wallets, and autofill information, along with system details and clipboard contents. In other similar scenarios, we observed different payloads such as Radamanthys Stealer, Async Rat, and Xworm delivered via RenEngine Loader, which can also steal passwords or enable a hacker to remote hijack the PC. Now, except for Avast, AVG, and Cynet, it appears that most antivirus engines currently don't recognize the initial stage of the malware as a threat. Now, that's according to Google's malware checking service VirusTotal. Now, affected users can consider using Windows system restore, or reinstalling the OS as a nuclear option if they suspect their PC contains malware. But if you want to be protected from malware, just install Avast, AVG, or Sonnet, and it should remove that malware from your system. And of course, you could also just not download those games if you're worried about that malware ending up on your system. However, if you already have it on your system, just put one of those three on there and it should remove it for you. So I thought that would be interesting and also helpful in case you happen to have one of those devices that is infected out of the 400,000, then you can just go ahead and you can download Avast, AVG, or Signet just to go ahead and get that antivirus software on your computer to remove that malware. Or you can just do the nuclear option too and just reinstall your whole system. Whatever works best for you. I just wanted to share that information because I thought it might be helpful for you. But if you do have any more questions about this, or maybe you just want me to go into a little bit more depth about it, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting out more great content like, have you heard about the 400,000 devices that were infected with malware because of pirated games? And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.